Hello my unicorns, welcome back to my channel. So first things first is I want to just ask a question because I'm very curious. I have short hair. I have, for the most part, this is straight hair. Well, it has like a little bit of a whatever that is at the end. But anyways, please explain to me how people can do this stupid half bun, or like, I don't know what you call them, but look at this thing. Look at that thing. It looks like a 5-year-old did it, but I don't know how to make it any better. Oh, by the way, I'm using these Invisi Baubles unless they actually work. But then again, my hair's really short, so who knows. Anyways, I have to go get finished getting ready for work. Then it's off to that hellhole. It's really not a hellhole. Sometimes it is. Yesterday it was. Anyways, bye. Oh goodness. So I just got off work. We got a little bit busier than I expected to, but oh well, money is money. But I need to rack up those dollars so I can book my first trip of 2020, and I cannot wait to do this trip. This is a trip I've wanted to do since forever, but I'm really excited. So all I need is like $400 more to book the flight and then to book a room. But I'm going to keep this destination a secret for now because I want to do a reveal of all the places I'm going to in the year of 2020, my dirty 30 year. But anyways, I am about to go back down to the Folk Festival and watch some fireworks. So, yay, fireworks!